Are you struggling to keep your Canva designs organised? In this video we will show you how to easily organise your Canva designs using folders. Discover the step-by-step process to create streamlined workplaces that enhances your productivity and creativity. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced Canva user, this tutorial will help you control your design workflow, say goodbye to clutter, say hello to organisation. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximising your Canva experience. So have you ever found yourself scrolling through endless list of designs to find one that's for a specific project you worked on last month, or maybe had to recreate a design from scratch because you couldn't find the original file? You're not alone. Clutter and disorganisation are common issues that many designers face. It's not just frustrating, it's also time wasting. To get the task in hand and spend more time with organising your work, less time is sorting through clutter. So you can create your designs in folders that are correctly named. You can set up folders called drafts, and you can rename the folders so that you can progress your project work along the way and you know exactly where it is. So please follow me through this video, follow each step of the way to find the best process for creating the folders to organise your work. So if you go to projects, then you can go to add new folder. Then if you type in the folder name, so I'll call this my folder. You can add people, groups and emails. So I'll tap on continue. So if I scroll down, I can see my folder in there. You can delete multiple folders there, so if I do that I can delete them if I want. If I go into my folder, I can add designs, your projects, so I can add different things in there, my designs. So if I go back, I tap on the three dots, I can share, delete, I can rename the folder. So if I call this my example of a folder, don't go away yet, I'm going to show you some more. So you can see my example of a folder. There you can see on the bottom of the different videos the naming of the folder it's associated with. So you can see down there thumbnails. You can see thumbnail up there. So if I go to create a new design, YouTube thumbnail, and I tap on this one, I'll call it test. Then if I go to file, move to folder, example of a folder, then move. You saw the option there to create a new folder as well. So when I go into there, create new, see? So if I go back to there, if I go down to projects, and then you can scroll down here to my example of a folder, and you can see it's got one item in there, which is this one. And if I go on there, I've got the different options as well. Would you like to create some amazing fonts in Canva, like these ones here? Or other types of fonts, effects? Set your fonts up in bold. Follow this tutorial in the next video. Please like and subscribe.